Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Purnima. I'm an IELTS and PT trainer. And guys, today's video is going to be very interesting because I'm going to share with you the format of IELTS writing task 2. And I know that from writing of IELTS, some students remain very nervous and they feel afraid so much. But don't worry, students, you can take the help of this format and you can definitely secure 6 plus bands in your IELTS writing task too. So let's start with the introduction. First of all, you can write these lines. In this contemporary era, dash plays a significant role in everyone's life. A section of society asserts that task statement. Clear? Now a section of society asserts that. After this, you will write the task statement, whatever the topic is given to you. For example, these days the use of mobile phone is increasing day by day. Then you can write, in this contemporary era, mobile phone plays a significant role in everyone's life. A section of society asserts that the utilization of mobile phone is increasing by leaps and bounds. Clear? In task statement, you can also use the synonyms and change the active to passive voice or passive to active voice to rephrase your task statement. As you know that in writing task, you can't repeat the same line and copy the same line as it is given in your task statement. Okay. Now the thesis line is, let us delve deep into this matter to cast light on ample dash and dash in the upcoming paragraphs. For examples, if the task is about problems and solutions, causes and effects, and advantages and disadvantages, then you can use this thesis line. Clear? Let us delve deep into this matter to cast light on ample advantages and disadvantages, ample pros and cons, ample problem and solutions, ample causes and effects in the upcoming paragraphs. Okay, so this is our intro. Journal line, then your task statement, and third is your thesis line or outline. Now BP1. Starting with the BP1, you can write like this. To commence with, plethora of factors are accountable for. Now you will write the topic line. Plethora of factors are accountable for increasing use of mobile phones. The first and foremost is that. Now you have to write your first idea, that is your point 1. It is attributed to the fact that now you will explain your first idea consequently, and you are going to write the result of your idea number 1. Clear? Next, you will use the connector furthermore, and your second idea you will write here, because in each BP you have to write 2 ideas and you should explain it fully. Furthermore, your idea number 2 you will write here. It is by virtue of the fact that, and then you will explain the point 2, and then you can use as a result and result of point 2. Okay, so this is our BP1. In BP2, we can start like this, moving further, or on the flip side. On the flip side is going to be for the essay in which we have to discuss about the opposite side. For example, if in BP1, you are going to share the advantages, then in BP2 you will share disadvantages, then you can write on the flip side. Clear? And if you are talking about the same aspect, then you can use the connector moving further. Okay, moving further on the flip side, point 3, and it is due to the fact that. Clear? You will explain your idea number 3 or first disadvantage to exemplify, and then you will explain the point 3rd, and then there is your result. Therefore, result of point 3 you will write here. Next is moreover, second disadvantage, second solution, or second effect. Point 4, your idea number 4. It is because of the fact that you will explain point 4 and hence result of point 4. Clear? Now finally comes to the conclusion. How can you write the conclusion in a simple way? To recapitulate, after analyzing the preceding paragraphs, it can be said that various parameters are noticed for, and your topic statement noticed. This is misprinting, so you can write various parameters are noticed for, NOTICED, for, and then you will write your topic statement for utilization of mobile phones, including 1 point from BP1 and 1 point from BP2, just a keyword. Clear? Respectively. Okay guys, so this is the format of your writing task 2, and in my upcoming video I will share this format with a particular essay topic. So subscribe my channel and learn IELTS and PT with me. Also, I shared so many interviews video. If you have any question regarding these international English language exams, then you can comment me, and if you like this video, subscribe and share it with your friends. All the best for your IELTS exam. and boost up your preparation level. Thank you. Bye.